Welcome back to Feynman Education. Let's dive into a fascinating exploration where we bridge the gap between the enchanting world of Baldur's Gate 3 and the principles of real-world physics. As Baldur's Gate 3 become a surprise hit, now is the best time to dive in to figure out why it is so special. So without further ado, let's jump right to it. So let's begin with the foundation of all things physics: gravity and projectile motion. In Baldur's Gate 3, when a character launches a spell, an arrow, or even hurls an object, the laws of gravity take center stage. Just as in our world, objects in motion are affected by gravity's pull. This causes them to follow a curved trajectory called a parabola. Imagine casting a spell that arcs gracefully through the air, or firing an arrow that gracefully reaches its target. Both are visual manifestations of the physics of projectile motion. Moving on, let's explore the concept of conservation of energy, which manifests beautifully in the game's mechanisms involving ropes and pulleys. As your characters use these systems to lift heavy objects, they mirror the fundamental physics principle that energy cannot be created or destroyed, only transformed. The energy you invest in lifting is converted into potential energy, ready to be released when the object is set back down. Baldur's Gate 3 showcases this principle, demonstrating how real-world physics makes its way into the fantastical gameplay. Delve now into the underwater worlds of the game, where fluid dynamics and buoyancy comes into play. The character's movements are affected by the higher density of water compared to air, leading to a slower motion underwater. But it doesn't stop there. Objects within the game adhere to the principles of buoyancy, floating, or sinking based on their densities relative to the fluid. This adherence to physics helps create an immersive underwater environment that mirrors the behavior of our own aqueous world. Transitioning to thermodynamics, let's explore the captivating fire simulation in Baldur's Gate 3. The spread of flames in the game follows real-world principles. Factors like oxygen availability and the nature of fuel sources influences the fire's behavior. This sophisticated modeling brings life to virtual flames as they react realistically to the conditions around them. It's a testament to how an understanding of thermodynamics can enrich the gaming experience and contribute to the sense of realism. Finally, let's talk about the enchanting realm of magic within the game. Here, the developers have ingeniously blended fantastical elements with real-world physics. Spells like shocking grasp and lightning bolt exhibit the principles of electrostatics, where electrical charges build up and discharge, mimicking the awe-inspiring phenomena of lightning in our own world. By grounding magic in these principles, the game achieves a captivating balance between fantasy and scientific realism. As our journey comes to a close, it's evident that Baldur's Gate 3 transcends the confines of traditional fantasy. By intertwining fundamental physics concepts like gravity, conservation of energy, fluid dynamics, buoyancy, thermodynamics, and electrostatics, the game emerges as a realm where magic and science harmonizes. Whether you're a student exploring the world of physics or a gamer seeking immersive experiences, remember that even in the most fantastical of realms, the laws of physics can be found, adding depth and authenticity to our virtual adventures. And there you have it, folks. If you like this video, drop a like, subscribe, and if you have any questions, comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one.